Hello friends and welcome to Taslima Maya Art Studio where creativity flows. Today join Fiona as she explores beginner fluid art with a bold straight pour on a fiery hexagonal canvas and wait for the dragon to emerge. This video is perfect for beginners in acrylic pouring and fluid art. A warm thank you to my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members. Thank you for supporting my channel. I couldn't do this without you. So with mystical dragon stencil and metallic accents, this piece will come to life in unexpected ways. Hi everyone, it's Taz here. I'm just with my friend Fiona and she's going to be doing a pour today for us, and she's brought along this lovely stretch canvas. It's Crawford and black, and is that, what would you call that, hexagonal?
Hexagonal,
yeah,
I think, yeah.
A hexagonal canvas, lovely little canvas. Say hi, Fiona.
Hi everyone.
So what colours are you using today and what pour are you doing, do you think?
So I think we're going to do red and gold.
Beautiful. So that's primary magenta, is that right? By Amsterdam. Yep. And that is iridescent precious gold. That's a lovely gold, isn't it? Very deep and rich.
Yeah.
Okay, that's brilliant. So only two colours?
So we're also going to add some Prussian blue,
Hue.
Sorry, Prussian blue hue.
Yeah, they've got
as
some
the
strange
dark
names.
colour.
They've got strange names.
Yeah.
Okay, fabulous. Let's mix up. So you've got your little cup, silicone cups here.
Yep.
So you want to squirt a little bit of each in.
Okay. Right. So let's put some red in. Is that the sort of amount?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's more than enough.
So that's the red. And oops, that went in a bit quicker than I thought it was going to. Gold and
Get some water for you. I've got some water for you.
the dark blue. There we go.
Brilliant. As you know, the most therapeutic part is mixing.
Oh, the mixing.
So we've
I'm
got
so good at this.
A little bit of craft glue, PVA craft glue. It's a specialist one, and we're just going to put that in. How much should we put in? Let's see. I'm going to go by eye because it is quite thick. Let's do that much for now, and then we'll add a bit of water to it because it's probably too thick. And I love this stuff because it's a lot thicker than some of the other PVA glues you get on the market from builders merchants and things, and this is better as well. It's got more binders.
So that's a specialist PVA, is it?
It's slightly more pricey than the others.
Of course,
but it's worth it. It's worth it. It goes a long way. There we go.
Lovely.
That's great. So I just need to do the mixing. Don't do the lid.
Might need a bit more red in here. We've got a bit pink.
Oh really? When it dries, it does dries the right colour.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
So don't worry about the fact that it's pink.
No, you don't have to worry too much.
No.
We can add a little bit more a darker colour to it to make it a bit more.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we've mixed some other colours into that, and we've now got a darker red.
Just like you wanted.
Yeah, just like I wanted. So
that's great. And this gold is mixed up really well. I do need to add some, well, you will need to add some water, so I'll grab some water for you.
Okie dokie, thank you.
The trouble with bottles, I like spraying it in because I can't control how much goes in. Oops. The gold tends to be thicker than other paints as well.
Okay.
Let's see if I can. There's this, so are you doing a ring pour or puddle pour, did you say?
Ring pour, I think we'll go for.
So the consistency for a ring pour is relatively thick. It's around a 2 to 3 second trace, which means when you lift up your stir stick and let the paint fall back in around about an inch above, it should take about 1, 2, 3 seconds before it disappears at the trail, before the trail disappears.
Okey-dokey.
And that's how you know how thick it is. So if it disappears instantly as soon as it falls back in, that's literally a 0 or a 1 second trace. And you have certain types of fluid art or acrylic pouring techniques which require a very thin consistency, like a Dutch pour, where you blow your paints around with a hairdryer.
Ah, okay.
They're beautiful. You can make beautiful patterns with them. I haven't done many Dutch pours myself. Done one or two, I think, but not that many. So you can see that lovely consistency there, see?
Yeah.
That's perfect. nice and thick. We want it to be nice and thick so that it doesn't blend when you're tilting it around on your canvas.
I think that's too thin, but you're better at this than me.
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, you don't need to add any water to that one. Maybe add a little bit more to this gold. It's still relatively thicker than the red.
Ah, right. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do a ring pour. Might have a few bubbles that we wouldn't ideally have, but we're going to give this a go. So the first colour I'm putting in...
Put it on the side so it's easier.
Ah, okay. Right.
Bit more?
Bit more.
Yes, you can chuck the first one in because it doesn't mix, but others will mix a little bit, so we'll put it down the side with the others, or try and just put it against the wall of the cup. Yeah. That's good. A bit more. I think that's fine.
So that's the dark blue. And then I'm going to do the gold.
Good idea. So hold a stick back like this. This is how I hold it. Yep, and then pour it down the side. Gently. Perfect. That's the way. Dip away. Pour more in if you need to.
I'll make sure. Right, we'll stop there, I think. And then we're going to do the same with the red.
Good work. Can't tell you've never done a ring pour before.
I have a good teacher.
I don't know about that. I think you're natural. It's going in perfect. You can see how thick it is as well, can't you?
Yeah, I can now, yeah.
Yeah, really thick and gloopy. Let's hope this works then. We're going to go a second round with all these colours as well, which is great.
Yeah.
It's nice to have 2 lots of each. Hopefully we'll get bands if we're lucky. Great.
Yeah. So then we go back to the blue.
You know what you're doing, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Okay. Let's put most of this blue in now. Right.
That's fine. Great.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so I've been instructed what to do. Here goes nothing. So I've been told I've got to pour this very slowly.
As soon as it comes out, keep a steady stream going though, okay? So you don't want it to stop or drip, so keep going. Don't worry too much about tilting too much at first. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Tilt it a bit more. So it's got to come straight out. That's the way. That red is really taking over, isn't it?
But when we get to the bottom, I think that's going to change.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see bits of gold mixing into it now. So do I do this until it covers the whole canvas?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Remember, you can turn this if you want to as well. So you get different kinds of rings. So you've got gold rings at the moment because the gold and red was together, weren't they?
So but I still hold the pour in the middle.
Yeah,
I know. I just noticed that. Am I going too fast with the spinning?
No, you're doing fine. Go slowly, slower, just really slowly. With both hands, really. Where is that navy blue gone? It's hiding. It's interesting that you're getting a lot of gold in it, but not much navy.
Yeah.
You can go closer to the canvas, remember, as well, so you can keep it more easy to manage and control. That's it. That's really nice. That's it. You're getting some nice patterns there. So remember, you're looking to keep that arm steady so the right amount comes out at the same time.
Yeah, but you want me to spin it slowly as well.
You don't have to spin it. It's like rubbing your head and your tummy.
Well, patting your head and rubbing your tummy. Yeah.
Obviously, you're a complete beginner at this, and this takes a while to get to the point where you feel comfortable doing both. And, you've got some artists who are actually moving the hand like this, so you could try that.
No, you're all right.
Okay.
Thank you for the suggestion, but at this point,
You're doing really well. Come on, I love those patterns in the middle now. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for really pretty patterns in the middle and keep turning that canvas around.
Yeah, the navy's slowly mixing in now.
Yes. We could have used some white, I think, as well to really give it, because contrast is really key with these. So we've got contrasting colours, colours that are not too close together on the wheel. It looks nicer. But we chose 3 colours which go quite well together. It's quite hard to control. Ooh, I like that. What's coming out now is really pretty. So, yeah, you're doing it really right, remember. That's really good. And when you tilt this out, you'd see the effects that you've got. Try and bring this camera closer to you so you can see that pour.
Yeah, I'll have to pass on doing that bit. I've only got 2 hands and they're busy at the moment.
It's literally a motion like this, slow circles. And you're probably kind of doing it now anyway, because your hands are shaking a little bit. Yeah,
my hands do shake.
Mine do too.
As long as they don't let go of the cup, we'll be alright.
Yeah.
All right. There's a lot of blue about to come out.
Okay, it's up to you when you want to stop, but maybe you need a bit of blue in the middle.
Well, I'm not against a bit of blue in the middle.
Just as long as
but it's gonna, yeah.
So remember, you can stop at any point because you've got plenty enough of paint in your canvas for it to go to the edges. So it's up to you.
I think because that's going really dark now.
Okay, stop. Perfect. That's it. And then I'll give you some tissues and I'll find any. What's this? Oh, I've got something here for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
You could probably do a small one with that.
Yeah, we can do. Look at that.
So
it's very pretty.
Now what do we?
We're going to pop the bubbles now.
Oh, so I've got that here.
Yeah.
Okay, so
just very lightly, go really fast over it, especially these bubbles on this end. Keep it moving. That's it. Just make sure you don't burn the paint. Okay, that's good. I think I skew and get the others. Don't worry. So
yeah, that one doesn't want to play.
Stubborn ones. Right, you're done. You're ready to tilt whenever you're ready. I'll actually wait a while for it to develop. What are you laughing about?
Because it could get messy when I tilt it.
It will get messy. You're supposed to have gloves. Hold on. Yep, here's some gloves.
Ah, perfect. Yes, I think they might be a good idea. I just have this feeling.
I'm just going to get it back in the middle for you a little bit because I think
my wobbly hands.
The table's a bit wobbly as well. You're over there. So
I can either tip it or spin it. Is that what you're?
You can spin it if you don't want to tilt it. It's up to you. We can do both. We can do either or both. I'm going to get the pattern back in the middle. I don't know how centralised you want the pattern.
I don't. No, yeah, whatever. As it comes. I'm not. Right, I'm decorated with nice pink gloves.
Yeah, let's move this up so we can see the whole thing. So what we're going to do now is now I'm going to ask you: do you want to tilt it or do you want to spin it? Tilting is fun.
Let's tilt it this time because I've never done this and I'm going to make a mess of it. I know.
No, you're not. Put that down there. Fine.
You're so confident. I'm not as confident as you.
You're supposed to make a mess anyway. So first of all, what you're trying to do is trying to get the paint to reach the edge without folding itself too much. Normally we'd put extra paint around the edge. We could do that with this.
We have got enough left to do that.
But I think you'll be fine because we're not losing too much of the centre pattern anyway. So if you just don't go off the edge, just close to the edge until we...
I love your theory.
Which theory?
The get close to the edge but don't go off it.
I'll go back to the centre. Always go back to the centre. So it's alright. Okay, you just have a funny pattern there, which is funky. So you just want to go back to the centre every time you've gone to an edge.
Oh, right,
just to keep the pattern, in the centre. And then we go maybe to the opposing edge, maybe this edge now. So if you want, you can put your hand, turn it around.
So...
Yep, and so we want to come to
that sort of angle. Right, okay, let's go over there then.
It's a very slow process.
That's fine.
Some people like rocking it side to side, some people just like, that's good. Now we want to make sure all the other edges are reached after we go back to the centre. It's unusual, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can see the navy, but the gold seems to be mixed in with the red a bit. I think the red was transparent, and maybe that's why.
I don't have a problem with that.
Should we come to this edge now? Or
go to that edge.
Yeah. I'm gonna pause this. I know. That's really good. Get some tissues.
I've still got this bit on the other side of me.
Yeah. So you want to go the opposite way if you've done one edge.
Yeah.
You want to go to this edge now. Go right off the edge. Don't worry if you tilt too much paint off. I think as long as it's going to spread to all the corners. There's a lot of corners.
Yes.
Yeah, hexagonals are quite tricky because if you look at the pattern, it's circular. So when you've got a hexagonal canvas, it can be quite tricky to get it all there. That's it. Yeah, perfect. That's the way. You're going to tilt it right off because you want it to cover the side as well, don't you? So I would just keep going until it gets to.
I was trying to be good.
Remember to tilt it this way if it's gone off that side already, so you got to tilt it this way, remember? Okay, that's good. Very good. Well, and we can touch up the sides, so don't worry too much about the sides.
Right, let me start doing...
I'm going to do it for you, actually. While I'm waiting. Nice and easy.
Right, the only thing is I'm coming back this way.
Oh, that's fine.
To do that corner, and then I can go over the other side.
Looking good.
It's looking quite interesting.
You picked an expert canvas. Nobody goes hexagonal unless they've been doing it for 10 years.
Now you tell me.
Not for this technique anyway. Maybe for a puzzle probably different, but this is like, because it's a circular thing, it's always going to be circular, and trying to fit it on a hexagonal is tricky. But you're doing it though. I mean, saying that, you've done it. I mean, this side is completely covered, and we can touch.
Yeah,
up
no,
that side, so
we're not quite there. That's this
side.
side.
Keep tilting it over this side though, so because you've still got lots of paint, and you just want it to go off the edge really. As long as it goes off the edge, you're all right. Because you just want to cover all these edges up. So you can keep tilting. Remember that. And that just helps it run faster when we put it on. And cover it up then. That's really, I really like it. At first I was a bit, I'm not sure, but I really like it now. Look at it. It's really cool.
It wasn't what I had in my head.
No, because you wanted red, didn't you?
Well, red and gold. It didn't. It's just.
It's the trouble with Bing Paws. They mix sometimes, and sometimes when they're transparent. I think you had the red transparent.
I don't know.
You should have just used the red opaque.
We used two different ones.
Red opaque is what we should have used.
Well, we used a bit of that.
Not enough. That's
no.
So it wasn't
right.
enough.
So that is now poured over that side.
Yep. So you want to
just enough. So we'll go
edge.
back. Let's get that back to the middle first. Is.
Can't wait to peel the tip off. We'll try not to move the stencil. Perfect. Come in. Maybe just a little. Okay, it's a bit stuck. Very gentle because some parts of it will actually need to be that's the way. Look at that. I love it. I think it's amazing. Perfect. Look at that.
That's actually come out
stunning. And there it is, my friends, Fiona's fiery fluid art creation, bold, mystical and full of life. From the very first pour to the final dragon detail, every step was a journey in colour and courage. Are you a beginner too? Don't worry if so, this is a space for all skill levels to grow and shine. So if you love this piece, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Fiona would love to hear your thoughts. And remember to subscribe to Taslima Maya Art and click the bell icon so you never miss a new pour, tip or tutorial. Thank you for watching. Up after me on the Creative Art Collective will be the lovely Patty from Let's Pour with Patty. See you there.